Hey, what's up guys? We are back with another video. As a matter of fact, we are back with the first mystery unboxing video of 2025. So I'm really excited to dig into this because this was kindly sent to me by my subscriber Davo, who has sent me things in the past that I've absolutely loved. So I want to thank Davo for sending this my way. But as we always do, I got some test strips. I actually do need to order some more test strips. I'm running low and I can't seem to find my, normal test strips, but these ones will do. My wife cut these up for me, so let's get into it. I always like doing the mystery unboxings with you guys, sort of first impressions, because I don't know, there's just something about an authentic first impression that I personally like watching. So although I haven't really consumed that much fragrance content as of late, it's one of those things where when you make your own content, you don't want to be swayed by other people, especially if it's something new. Or what I'll do is I'll watch reviews sometimes after I've tried the fragrance, but it's not often lately. So, but I still like making content. So, all right. So this is well wrapped. Shout out to Davo for making sure that this is not gonna break, because you never know what you get when it comes to USPS, but those guys work hard over there, so I don't want to knock USPS. So let's see what we got here. Also, guys, I want to add, stay tuned for the announcement for the 18K giveaway. We hit 18,000 subscribers. Super excited about that. So, all right. So I was thinking this might be okay, it does look like it's a larger decant here. So let's take a look. He may have told me what he was sending. I don't remember. So I apologize if... Okay, this is another Laboratorio Olfattivo, which he had sent me another from the house that I really loved. And yeah, I'm excited to try more from this house. Davo, this is exceptional packaging. I mean, my kids did all the unwrapping this Christmas. I didn't really get to unwrap very much, so this is exciting stuff. Thank you. All right. Let's get this plastic off. Okay. Okay, so this is from Laboratorio Olfattivo, and the scent is Alambar. Alambar. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So you see, this is like, I think there's only one place that does decants of this from this house. So, is it have a spray top? Let me see here. Okay, yeah, cap comes off. Wasn't sure if it was like a dipping tester. Okay, so let's give it a try. I haven't heard of this fragrance before, so I'm excited to try it. And I will put this on skin as well, but I want to get it on the strip first. I am wearing a scent today, but I still want to try it on skin. I'll try it on my other hand. So it's woody, it's green. It also has some resinous vibes, like a little bit smoky, but has a richness to it. Really nice woods here, and I don't know what's standing out to me as green. It is a bit ambery. It's fern-like, so I'm definitely getting a lot of ferny greenness, which I like. Reminds me of something else I have, but this is nice. There's something else here, and maybe a fruity note. Oh, what is that? It's not bananas. I don't know if you guys can see my bananas. I'm in my kitchen, so obviously. Also has a really clean undertone. It's a little bit powdery. Let's get this on skin. Let's see what this does off of skin, and then we'll take a look at the notes. Do a couple sprays. The last fragrance that I tried from the house was pretty strong. The name escapes me right now of the name of that fragrance. I really liked it. I will eventually probably add a bottle to the collection. This is nice as well. Really high quality fragrances. I believe this is an Italian house, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot different off of the skin. Has almost like a black licorice feel. Fennel or something, very like anisette, you know, like the booze anisette, the alcohol, Italian alcohol. I got to take a look at these notes. So the notes, I was off on the, all right, so amber, top notes, amber, cacao, bergamot. Mid notes are more amber, cinnamon, and vanilla. And the base notes are more amber. So I don't know where I was getting that greenness from the strip, but I will say that once I got it on skin, it was a much different fragrance. I was picking up a lot of different things from the strip, which is why it's a good sort of indication as to the best way to test a fragrance is on your skin, hands down. Now, the cacao, I think, is what I was mistaking for that licorice note. It's a sweetness, but it's a bitter sweetness, which I love. Absolutely love that element to this. Not picking up a ton of bergamot, at least not off of the skin. It's really an ambery cacao vanilla fragrance. So it's not super complex. It smells really good. It smells like it could be a cold weather gem. What I'm really liking here, my favorite part of the fragrance is that cacao. It's adding this bitterness while still being sweet, but not too sweet. It's just an amazing element to this fragrance. Different than your typical vanilla amber fragrance. So that cacao note is prominent, and it's really changing the scent overall. It's making it different than most ambery vanillas that you're probably used to smelling. I will say this is perfectly unisex. Yeah, I really like it. I think this is an interesting fragrance. I love that I have this amount here because with the cold weather right now, I definitely will be wearing this. I'm a big fan of amber fragrances, absolutely love them. And this is a unique amber fragrance because of that cacao, which I really love. Unisex, versatile, cold weather, nothing too buttoned up, but I would easily wear this dressed up in a suit. I would also wear this casually with a hoodie. So pretty versatile in that sense. Really like it. Davo, you came through again. Thank you, my man. Laboratorio Olfativo Alambar. And yeah, I would love to know you guys' thoughts on this scent if you've tried it. As I always do, I will wear this. Not this week, because I have a big plan for next week's weekly wears. I have a theme this week. My wife chose all my fragrances, so make sure you tune in on Monday to see what she picked. But, and my scent of the day right now is Abercrombie & Fitch's Fierce Intense, which, come on guys, amazing scent. So, and I like this one as well. So I will not be wearing this week, but I will wear it next week and give you guys a little more insight as to the overall performance, what I got from it. I really like it. What do you guys think of this one, Alambar? Let me know in the comments section down below. But if you like what you saw today, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next video.